Good evening, everybody. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the human nutrition, digestive system in human being. Already we have started about in mouth, okay, teeth, about tongue, what are the functions of mouth, whatever the functions of teeth and tongue. Already we learned about esophagus also. Okay, that is a food pipe. What are the how food is moving in food pipe, peristaltic movement. After peristaltic movement, we are going to discuss about next one very important part of the digestive system, that is we can call stomach. Next important part of digestive system is that is stomach. Okay, if you observe here stomach. Okay, this is okay. Just focus here. Okay, just stomach. If you observe the stomach, stomach is just like look like okay J-shaped structure. J-shaped structure. Okay, this is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped structure, and in stomach, especially for what we call just like a sack-like structure. What is the meaning of sack? Just like sack-like means just like a bag-like structure. In the stomach, whatever food is enter into the stomach with peristaltic movement, it is slowly okay by opening this splinter, it is enter into the stomach. In stomach, food is stored 4 to 6 hours. 4 to 6 hours based on the food, especially for example, fat food, it will be stored more time. For example, whatever food is minimum, it will be stored in especially at least 4 to 5 to 6 hours. It will be stored in stomach. Stomach is a bag like structure. Whatever we are eating, it is stored in stomach. Okay, it is stored in stomach, especially in stomach. If you observe the stomach, okay, I will draw okay large size of diagram of stomach. Okay, if you observe the stomach walls, especially for the walls of the stomach, in the walls of the stomach releasing gastric juice. Gastric juice. In stomach, 4 regions is there. Regions means what? Places. This place we can call cardiac place. This place we can call fundus. This place, which is the largest place in stomach, we can call body. This place we can call pyloric. Okay, if you observe the stomach, in 4 regions is there in stomach. Okay, in this region, that means in esophagus, through with esophagus, the food is enter into the stomach. Here in this region we can call cardiac region. After cardiac region, this region we can call fundus region. After fundus region, we can call the middle of the what stomach. This region we can call body. And food is what? After digestion in stomach, it is enter into the small intestine. This is the opening of the small intestine. Where does the stomach opening into small intestine? That region we can call pyloric region. That means in stomach also 4 regions is there. One important point. What is that important point? Okay, here in stomach, especially for the walls of the stomach, it is releasing what? Gastric juice, gastric glands. These gastric glands releasing what? Gastric glands. Whatever okay walls of the stomach are releasing what? In that gastric glands are located. These gastric glands releasing what? Gastric juice. Gastric juice. Okay, the walls of the stomach, it is releasing what? Gastric juice. In that gastric juice, it contains HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is acidic in nature. Hydrochloric acid, and also what? Pepsinogen enzyme released by gastric juice. In that gastric juice, some of the enzymes and acid is there. What is that acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Enzyme is pepsinogen. By this pepsinogen activated by, when it is mixing with HCl, it is activated and changing like pepsin. Okay, what is the use of, okay, focus here, this side, okay, what is the use of HCl? In stomach, HCl is releasing. Whatever released HCl, that is useful to kill the, we are eating various kinds of food. Sometimes we are eating without washing. And what will be happen? So many microorganisms are enter into the stomach. This HCl kills the bacteria, whatever germs is there in, especially for in food, whatever we are taking, it kills by HCl, hydrochloric acid, that is acidic in nature. It is kills the germs in stomach. After that one, not only that one, pepsinogen. This pepsinogen, pepsin, okay, pepsinogen is activated by HCl, it converts like pepsin. Pepsin, okay, it is partially digest the what? Proteins. Proteins into peptodes. Try to understand. Okay, here the proteins, especially in stomach, which are digested, which food components are digested in stomach, only proteins are digested in stomach. Remaining carbohydrates, remaining fats are not digested in stomach. Only what? Proteins are digested in stomach. Okay, only proteins are partially digested in stomach. And also renin enzyme also releasing. This renin enzyme are useful for, it convert the milk into curd, especially in children. Okay, these are the, especially for, that mean whatever food enter into the stomach, it will be stored inside the stomach at least 4 to 6 hours based on the food item. Fatty food, whatever is there, highly fatty food, it will be stored more time. When it is stored in stomach, the stomach releasing what? Gastric juices. In gastric juices having HCl, hydrochloric acid, and what? Pepsinogen. This pepsinogen and hydrochloric acid, the food is mixing with what? Acid. So that what will be happen? The food is churning. Okay, what we call that process, we can call churning. Whatever churned food, the churned food we can call chyme. What we call chyme. That is mixed with acid, that is mixed with, just like a curd. That mixed food, it is mixed with HCl acid, whatever acid, gastric juices, it is called chyme. That chyme slowly enter through with pyloric sphincter, slowly enter into the small intestine. Try to remember, only proteins are partially digested in stomach. Remaining carbohydrate, fats are not digested in stomach. Thank you.